Quick note before we start. I'm not a doctor, and this isn't medical advice. Always check with your doctor before making big changes to your diet or routine, especially if you take medications or have health conditions. Okay, let's get you moving better. Over 60. 8 collagen-rich foods to reduce leg swelling and strengthen joints. Have you been feeling more swelling in your legs, stiffness in your joints, or that strange tingling sensation that just won't stop? These aren't random aches. They're your body's way of sounding an alarm, warning you that it may be running low on one of your most important building blocks. Collagen. Collagen keeps your skin firm, your joints cushioned, and your legs steady and strong. But by the time we pass 60, our natural collagen production drops dramatically. The surprising part: many seniors never realize it, and the foods on their plates may actually be making things worse. But here's the good news. Researchers have identified 8 natural foods that can help support your body's collagen production. Foods that may help with swelling, mobility, circulation, and overall leg comfort in just weeks. And one of these foods is something many people have avoided for years, even though it may be one of the quickest ways to help your legs and joints feel younger again. Before we dive in, tell us, have you noticed any changes in your legs or joints lately? And what foods are you eating to support your collagen? Drop it in the comments. We read every one and love sharing personalized tips. 8. Egg yolks. For years, egg yolks were labeled bad because of cholesterol. But newer research shows that yolks are actually rich in collagen-supporting nutrients. They're packed with glycine and proline, 2 amino acids your body uses to build the collagen fibers that support your skin, ligaments, and joints. Without enough of these amino acids, it's common to notice more stiffness and slower recovery. For best results, choose soft-boiled or poached eggs to preserve fragile amino acids. Scrambled eggs are fine too, just avoid overcooking. Pairing eggs with vitamin C-rich veggies, like tomatoes or spinach, may further support collagen building. Many seniors say that starting the day with 2 whole eggs and some colorful vegetables leaves their legs feeling stronger and less tingly through the morning. 7. Papaya. Bright, sweet, and refreshing, papaya holds a powerful secret: an enzyme called papain. Papain helps break down proteins so your body can absorb the amino acids needed for collagen. Since digestion naturally weakens with age, this gives seniors an extra advantage. Eating ripe papaya in the morning, before other foods, allows the enzymes to work more efficiently. Blend it with a squeeze of lime, or enjoy it plain. Avoid canned papaya or cooked papaya. Heat breaks down papain. Consistent intake may support skin elasticity, reduce tightness in the legs, and promote healthy circulation. 6. Chicken skin. Most people peel it off without thinking. But chicken skin is naturally rich in type I collagen, the same type your body uses to keep joints resilient and skin firm. Chicken skin also contains compounds that help tissues hold moisture, important for seniors dealing with dryness, stiffness, or swelling. The key is preparation. Bake or slow roast instead of deep frying. Or use skin-on chicken to make a soothing homemade broth. Slow cooking helps release collagen into the liquid, turning it into a gentle, nourishing drink for your joints and legs. 5. Sardines. Small, inexpensive, and often overlooked. Yet sardines are one of the most collagen-dense foods available. Because you eat them with the skin and tiny bones, you get a natural source of type I and type 3 collagen. Type 3 collagen helps support blood vessels, important for reducing swelling, numbness, and tingling in the lower legs. Choose sardines packed in olive oil and enjoy them on whole grain toast, in salads, or stirred into pasta. A little lemon juice can mellow the flavor. Regularly including sardines may support circulation and lessen nighttime leg cramps. 4. Bone marrow. Once considered a delicacy, bone marrow is making a major comeback for its collagen-supporting nutrients. Marrow contains collagen precursors and hyaluronic acid, which helps keep joints lubricated and skin hydrated. Seniors who add marrow or marrow broth to their diets often report looser, more comfortable joints over time. To use it, roast marrow bones and spread the soft interior on toast. Stir roasted marrow into soups or stews. or simmer bones for 12 to 24 hours to make a rich, collagen-dense broth. Slow simmering extracts collagen, minerals, and joint-loving compounds into a soothing daily tonic. 3. Gelatin. Most people only think of flavored gelatin desserts, but pure, unflavored gelatin is one of the most absorbable collagen sources available. Because gelatin is collagen that's already been partially broken down, it's easy for older adults to digest, especially if stomach acid levels are lower. Mix gelatin into warm water, tea, or coffee, or use it to make homemade fruit gels with berries and honey. Avoid store-bought flavored gelatin. It's full of sweeteners and dyes that don't support collagen. Daily gelatin can help support hydration in the skin and flexibility in the joints. 2. Liver. Loved by some, avoided by many, and one of the most nutrient-dense foods on Earth. Liver is rich in vitamin A, copper, zinc, and glycine, nutrients your body relies on to build and maintain collagen. Even small amounts, 1 to 2 ounces per week, can contribute to healthier skin, stronger legs, and improved circulation. If you're not used to the taste, blend a small amount into soups or chili. Mix it with ground beef. Try liver pâté on whole grain toast with lemon. Consistency matters more than quantity. 1. Collagen-rich bone broth. Number 1 on the list is the legendary bone broth, a time-tested staple now backed by modern understanding of nutrition. When simmered low and slow, bone broth releases type 1, 2, and 3 collagen, gelatin, glucosamine, chondroitin, hyaluronic acid. Together, these compounds help hydrate tissues, cushion joints, and support healthy circulation and mobility. To make true collagen-rich bone broth, use grass-fed beef bones or free-range chicken bones. Add apple cider vinegar. Simmer 18 to 24 hours. Never boil too hard. You'll know it worked when it turns gelatinous in the fridge. Drink it warm in the morning or use it as a base for soups. Many seniors notice easier movement, less swelling, and better leg comfort when they drink it regularly. If you're over 60 and dealing with tingling, swelling, or weak legs, your body may simply need more collagen-supporting foods. These 8 aren't just beneficial, they're your first line of defense. Remember, the details matter. How you cook, combine, and prepare foods determines how well your body can use them. Now we want to hear from you. Which of these collagen-rich foods have you tried? And what changes have you noticed? Any favorite recipes other seniors should try? Share in the comments. We love reading them. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.